Why every woman needs something that is hers. Yeah, I'm 53 years old and I'm paying my life forward for one other woman. And I just think that there are times where we have conditioned ourselves to feel like we need to be available to our children, to our family, to our work, to our communities, to our partners, to all of the things that we get so wrapped up into other people that we forget that it's okay for you to have something for yourself. And what I've noticed is that I'm slowing down and I'm asking the questions like, what do you actually like? What is it that brings you joy? What is it that actually replenishes you? And I am questioning, are those things that I'm identifying things that I really like, or is it things that people have kind of put upon me to say that I should like? I'm just taking a moment because there's nothing wrong with like loving other people, but there's also nothing wrong with you loving yourself. I can belong to people without losing myself. There is nothing that says that me taking care of myself is going to be selfish in any kind of way, because there is a difference between being selfish and also stewarding the one life that God has given me. You know, for me here lately, go back and watch some of the other videos. Yes, it's about the morning coffee. It is about the morning walk. It's about me going to the gym. It is about me having slow mornings. It's about me and my dad going to the farmer's market tomorrow. It's about me learning how to crochet. It's about me enjoying my journaling time. It's about me, lighting a candle. The other day I went to HomeSense and instead of buying one, I bought several. I like room fresheners because when I make my bed, I want to spray it. Those things are not selfish. I'm just saying that there's nothing wrong with me having something that is just for me. The point is that I'm having the things that is actually nourishing my soul, and everything that I love doesn't have to benefit somebody else. So the one thing that I like that somebody else doesn't like, that's totally fine. But it's okay for me to say, this is what I actually like. Having something that's yours helps you remember who you are. There are things that we knew that we loved before, and then somewhere along the way, we've kind of like put it aside because someone has made us feel like we are focusing on ourselves, or, we're being selfish in some kind of way. We're not. Tomorrow, I'm going to go get a massage, and then I'm going to leave from that massage and I'm going to go to the movies by myself. And then I'm going to go out to dinner. You want to know why? Because I'm rediscovering the things that actually bring me joy, that I really do enjoy. I enjoy, and I'm rediscovering the things that bring me interest. And that's okay if you don't like the things that I like. I'm reconnecting with pieces of myself that got buried underneath all the responsibility. And this is why, again, me picking up the hobbies and me finding playful ways to enjoy life and smile and laugh, and me sitting out here in nature right now. And I know it feels like a bug is crawling on my leg right now, but it's totally fine because I'm paying my life forward for one other woman. Here it is. Sometimes becoming her again means remembering the things that she enjoys. And that is exactly what Lashay is doing. I don't know what that was behind me now. If y'all see something, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Cause I'm hearing something. Your life doesn't have to be productive to be valuable. This is one of the especially important for women who have spent years accomplishing, serving, and building, and raising, and leading, and providing. You bring home the bacon, you fry it up in a pan. Like, we can start believing everything we do needs to have a purpose. It doesn't. Sometimes you just need to do stuff that you actually enjoy. And maybe you going to the grocery store and cooking every night is not something that you enjoy. Maybe you have to find other ways that the family eats. Now, I don't have that issue because I am currently living alone. So whether I cook or don't cook, that's up to me. Now, my budget is telling me something different. You don't have to find hobbies that are expensive. And I'm telling you right now, I can't tell what that is, but maybe it's a bird or something. But I don't need nothing jumping out on me. So y'all let me know what's behind me. Not everything I do has to produce something. Some things can just be simply because I want to produce joy. Joy, 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 joy. That's what I want to produce. Hers, what is mine? What am I creating space for me that I enjoy? What are my desires? My desires, they matter. What am I curious about? What is it that I want to learn to do? What, I just need a minute, y'all, because I done got excited again. I'm sorry. Every so often that happens because I do get excited. Because sometimes me finding the joy, the things that I like, might require me to say no to some people. I'm asking different questions. And those questions that I'm asking is, what do I want this next chapter to feel like? What do I want to actually experience? And it doesn't have to always be expensive. Go back and watch the other video. Where do I want to go? What is actually making me feel alive? And I'm telling you right now, I'm not having a midlife crisis. I'm having a midlife awakening. I am. I'm sitting out here in nature right now, and it does feel like bugs are crawling on me. But sis, I'm paying my life forward for you because I'm just trying to get outside. Okay, here it is. That I'm being intentional. I'm being intentional. I'm not just filling the next chapter. I'm designing how I want to live. So every Monday night, me and the ladies, I have a few friends, we get together. I go live on YouTube at 7 o'clock on Mondays, and we go through these 4 R's: remember, release, restore, and rise. I'm remembering the woman underneath the roles. I'm remembering what brought her joy before she became so responsible. I'm remembering how God created me and He wants me to enjoy this one life that I'm living through my desires and curiosity. Like, yes, I'm rediscovering all the things. I'm releasing the guilt around doing something simply because other people don't like it. Let me say that again. I'm releasing the guilt around doing something simply because I enjoy it. No, I'm going to have fun. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to the movies tomorrow to go see Spa Weekend, and I'm going by myself. And then I'm going to go to dinner. I'm also going to go get a massage. Yes, because my guy, he brought me another gift certificate because he knows those are the things that I like. I am releasing the belief that being needed is the same thing as being fulfilled. You know, some of us are addicted to being needed. I'm gonna be praying for y'all about that. I'm releasing the expectation that you have to explain every desire. I'm not. I'm not going to be explaining those things. I'm restoring the parts of myself that I've neglected. I'm restoring play. I'm restoring laughter. I'm restoring rest. I'm restoring curiosity. I'm restoring the experiences that make me feel connected to myself. Hello, woman on the other side of this camera. I'm rising into the woman who God said that I could always be, and I'm trying new hobbies. And maybe I don't do it perfectly, and maybe I fail at it. But I'm telling you right now, I'm getting ready to take the trip. I'm taking the trip for my birthday. I'm going by myself. I'm not letting this plane ticket expire. I'm going to try the new coffee shops. I am. And this might sound boring to some of you. So if it is, that's fine. But there is one other woman that I'm paying my life forward to right now. And I already know that you want to try something new, that you know that there's a whole new chapter that's waiting for you. You know it. You know that there are some things that you just want to be for you, whether it is, something you do for yourself at home, the bubble bath. I don't know what it is. I honestly don't know. What I do know is that I'm remembering that I need something that is just for me. That's what I remember. I spent years building a life for everyone else. This chapter, I'm making sure that there is room for me. That's what I'm doing. So I'm paying my life forward, 30 days of me. It is not all happening in 30 days, but I am sharing myself out loud. Please don't judge me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't come for me. Leave something encouraging. Come back on Monday night when I go live at 7 o'clock with me and the other ladies. We have a good time. We check in with each other, and then we just encourage one another. And what I know is that I'm a woman of a certain age. I'm sitting out in nature. I'm paying my life forward for one other woman to say, do you even know what makes you happy? Do you know what brings you joy? Are you enjoying the one life that God has given you? What we doing? What we doing, sis? Do you have the handprints and formation of other people, and you doing things that you really don't even like? You checking all these boxes. You've got your ladder leaned up against the wrong wall. Maybe I'm just talking to myself. And that's totally fine. Totally fine if I'm talking to myself. But what I do know is that I know there is something that I just need to be for me. And if the coffee shop is for me, if the long walk is for me, if the crocheting is for me, if the sitting by the pool and writing in my journal is for me, if going to go to the movies by myself and getting a popcorn and a drink is just for me, if watching a comedy show and laughing until I almost wet myself, if that's for me, I'm determined to bring some joy into my life, and I'm encouraging you to do the same. Come back tomorrow. That's all I got. I don't have nothing else. I had it all in my notes, and then I just started rambling, and I got nervous because I'm sitting outside and I don't know if there's something crawling behind me. So come back tomorrow. All right. Bye.